afford to recycle, that's the way. Separate your waste, make it a game to play. Clean and dry each item with care, in the right bins that you're aware. Reduce, reuse, recycle, it's a rule. Every small act we use as a tool. Plastics, paper, glass and more, sorting them right for a cleaner shore. For a cleaner shore. For a cleaner shore. For a cleaner shore. Say no to single use, that's the plan. Reusable items, let's make a stand. Compost food scraps, watch them break down. In the cycle of waste, our efforts are great. Every choice counts, you'll agree. For a cleaner world, it starts with you and me. So let's recycle, let's do it right. Together we'll make our future bright. Reduce, reuse, recycle, it's a rule. Every small act we use as a tool.